getting ready to harvest some honey, and I want to try a bee escape board. This is what this is. We'll put it in between the honey super and the brood box. You want this triangular piece going down, so we'll have it just like this. The bees will be able to go down, find their way out, but they'll have a hard time going back in. Now, if there was some brood and stuff, or some some larvae, some new bees in your chamber, they would eventually make their way up. The best time to do this is in the morning or late at night, and then come back either later that afternoon. You want to give it a few hours. You don't want to leave it too long. The bees will eventually make their way back up there, and or insects can get up there, and the bees aren't attending that. So this is if you do this, be intentional and know when you're going to come get it. So we'll put this on there, and we'll come back in a few hours and see how it does, and then I'll show you compared to ones that do not have the escape board. All right. So first thing, you need to take off our honey chamber. Oh, that's a heavy box. That is ready. Okay, like I said, triangular point down. There's a lot of honey in here. These guys have packed it away. While you do this, you want to keep an eye out. I don't really see beetles, so that's good. Always keep, do your regular inspections. Keep an eye out for things. Okay. Put it right back on. I'll come back like in 6 hours. You want to do this, they say, in the morning or night, in the evening, because it gives, when it's cooler, there's more incentive for them to go in the brood chamber, which is a little warmer. I'm going to smoke it real quick. This may help incentivize them to go down. This is honey chamber is ready to go. All right, we'll come back and check in a few hours to see how it's done. Okay, we're gonna see how it worked. See this later, and it's about 6-7 hours later. More bees, you see them in the front. So, let's crack her open. Oh yeah, there's still bees in there. Need to get this off. There we go. All right, we're going to put on empty frames so they can hopefully start drawing that out. This hive is full. There are a few bees in here, but it's not too bad. We're good with it.